In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to oil your Tajima SAI and maintain it so it stays running smoothly for a long time. Let's get started. Oiling your Tajima machine is quite easy and all you need are a few tools. We're going to use an oiling bottle with a spout so you can put one drop in. We're also going to use this tool that comes in with your tool set. And alternatively, if you don't want to use the oil bottle, you can use the spray, which is the same thing. It's a lubricant, but you simply spray it on as opposed to squeeze your oil out. These are two options that you can normally pick up at your fabric stores. On the Tajima SAI, there are two main places where you want to oil your machine. The first one is inside this part, and the second one is on top of the needle. I'm going to take this part off, and this isn't necessary for you to do, and I'm taking it off so you can visually see where you should place your oil. Now we have the oil bottle, and all I'm going to do is take out this extension, and using my scissors, I'm going to cut the end. Just cut the end. Now I can put this back, and I'm going to show you where to put this spout in. I like to tip the bottle upside down. That makes it easier for the oil to go through, and there's really no need to put any pressure on the bottle. You'll see that the oil itself will move down the spout, and all you do is you bring it in here and you give it a little press once you're sure. That's it. This is what the SAI looks like without its cover. We're just gonna grab our oil, squeeze the bottle a little bit, put a few drops in each one of them. Now you normally do this with the cover on, so your goal is to lubricate it through the clearance hole. Now let's move on to the lower part. For the next step, we're gonna grab our flathead that's included in our toolbox, and we're going to take off these two screws right here. Push it out, put it to the side, and we're gonna add a few drops of lube to these parts right here. So with my bottle facing upwards, just gonna squeeze it a little bit and start dropping a few on the felt part. Add around the areas. And that's all it is to this part. And you can close it back up and we'll do the last part. For this part, we're gonna grab our S-shaped tool that has a flat and a cross, and we're going to take off this top piece. You can also push the lid down, and with my finger, I like to rotate the screw loose and take it off. Now on this part, you'll notice both a bit of oil as well as dust and threads buildup. So just grab a brush and brush it off, as well as if you want to use a rag instead, you can do that too. Nice and clean. Next, I'm gonna take out the bobbin, and you'll see there are a few threads that are hanging in there. I'm going to push the trimmer to the side, and using this brush, I'm just gonna brush off all of those excess threads out. Sometimes I blow air to simply push those threads out too. The last thing that I like to do is to add a little bit of oil just to this left part of the bobbin case, right there. Now, we're gonna put it back together, and your machine is all oiled up and maintained. Using your hand as much as possible, and then use this tool to tighten it. Now you pat it and you say good job and thank you for all your help. And just like that, the SAI is now oiled and is ready to continue doing the daily work. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Leave down any questions you have in the comments, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye guys.
Looking for the best beginner embroidery multi-needle machine? Meet the Tajima SAI. Precise, reliable, and user-friendly. Unlock exclusive bonuses by filling out the form on our website. We'll connect you with an official Tajima partner to complete your purchase and claim your rewards. Elevate your embroidery today and click the link below to learn more.